Every day the Nature Conservancy protects special places around the world, and that's why I'm running for Team Nature.
Holy cow, folks! Give it up here, the American record holder for the ultramarathon right here at the finish line, folks!
Oh, it's fantastic. I mean, bald eagles flying overhead.
I'm Dave Cahill. I'm a fundraiser for Team Nature. I'm passionate about running, and also very passionate about protecting our lands and protecting our waters. As a young person, I was always taught a really great appreciation of our land. To be involved in fundraising for Team Nature and Nature Conservancy means a lot to us. It means a lot to me, and I'm delighted to be involved.
Happy Earth Day! Yay!
Thank you, Team Nature. Have a fantastic run.